So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn a very important thing that you should always follow when you are working in such a big file or heavy files or a complex file where you have tons of drawings in it. So basically for that, what all you have to do is the main thing is that you should have a clean geometry and a clean drawing that will help your plans to not lag and your AutoCAD to not hang basically. So for that, there is a very good simple command named as overkill. So you just have to type overkill and press enter. So what basically does this command do is that it deletes the duplicated objects from your AutoCAD file. So basically you can also set tolerance. So my tolerance is very minimal. That is like if there is 0.00001 of difference in any line joining, then it will be ignored, or else all the duplicated lines, layers, colors, everything will be deleted. So you can also check anything that you want to ignore, like colors, if you want to ignore layers, if you want to ignore that. So basically if you select the layer option, all the layers that are duplicated will be ignored and will not be deleted basically. Understand that. And second, and the so basically there are total of 9 options that you can go with. That if you check any of it, then the AutoCAD software will ignore that checked box and will delete all the other duplicated files. So when so this is the default setting, and this is what has to be followed. And always check this box that do not break polylines. Okay. So if this is not checked, the AutoCAD software might break some polylines that are duplicated and are on each other, like overlapped. So always check this box that do not break polylines and press OK, and just wait for a second. So as you can see it over here, that the 7 duplicates are deleted, 89 overlapping objects or segments deleted. So now your AutoCAD file is more smoother and more lighter without any unnecessary things that should be there in your PC or in your